it's peanut, and then something really exciting. But this is not the exciting. So whatever I get in the thing, in the exciting thing, I'm gonna be putting it in this bag. But the exciting part is this. So it's like a fidget. It's like a fidget advent calendar. Or I don't know if it actually is a fidget advent calendar or if it's just everything's just inside of there. I'm not sure. It's called, I cannot read that. Whoever knows how to read that, you're good at it. Fidget toys, best wishes for you. But let's just get started with this. Let me go find some scissors first. Alright guys, I found some scissors. So let's just cut this bad boy open. Whoa. So guys, whenever I got a fidget advent calendar before, I was gonna record and I already recorded a video. You have a video where I was trying to like show you like fidgets, like the videos where I rate my fidgets. Yeah, and I didn't know the fidget advent calendar was coming in that day, and I couldn't make the video because I didn't have enough storage or anything. So yeah, I think I just can the fidget advent calendar. So first we're taking this pop it. It even has the letters on it. Can you see it? Well, let's see. Girl, do you not know how satisfying this is? Okay, ASMR. That was so satisfying. Okay, that was really nice. Next, I have a lot of dimples, but look at this bow dimple. I thought it was a butterfly at first. I mean, butterflies don't really look like this, but it's a bow dimple. Here, let me do ASMR. So satisfying, but let me do it again. So satisfying. Can't wait to add this to my fidget collection. Trying to grab the next item. Okay, now I grabbed two items from. Here's the second. It's a keychain dimple. It's a keychain dimple. Oh my gosh, look at this. I think it accidentally glitched for a second, guys, but if that happens to you if you're watching this video right now, I'm sorry that it glitched. But it's a keychain dimple and it's a candy, the pop. Oh yeah, and I think I didn't mention, but this has little bows on the little pops. So that's really cute. This one also has a bow on it. So cute. Let's see how satisfying that is. I'll give it okay, I'm gonna rate these actually. I think I would probably give this like a 7.5 out of 10. This, maybe like a 6 or like a 5 out of 10. Boy, you know this gets like a billion quadrillion out of 10. Alright, so I could see the next thing. It's this. Oh wait, at the end, I said I was going to put them in here, and I kind of need to do that right now. So let me just put them all in right fast. Let me just do this off camera. Alright guys, I just got them all in. So yeah. next is this. It's this like dolphin puppet. I think they actually had this at Walmart, but for $5. But let's just hear the pops. So ASMR. Okay, I'm just gonna stop that for a second. The crunch sounds kind of satisfying and pretty nice, but let's see how crunchy this is. Well, so satisfying. Alright, let me just put this in here. I wonder what's next. Okay, it's another one of those candy something, but it's the green packet. Let me get this one, my design on. No, it just has a bow. I don't know if you saw it, but it's also a keychain, but yeah, probably a 6 or 7 out of, no, a 5 or a 6 out of 10. I thought it would sound a little bit different. It's not too bad. I haven't been like, ooh. Well, I actually needed some more of these mini like, poppets. This is next. It's a mini tie-dye keychain poppet, mini poppet. Okay, ASMR. That's like a 10 out of 10. I don't know how much things there are, but it's another mini poppet, and it's tie-dye, a keychain, and it's mini. Alright, ASMR. So satisfying. That was probably like maybe an 8 out of 10. Let's see if there's any more. Guys, I see the last thing. I see the last thing in here, and I think I know what it is. Guys, you gotta be kidding me. Guys, try to guess what it is. I have a bunch of these. Though, so I don't really know if I would need any more of these. It's the fidget spinner, dimple fidget spinner. I have so many of these. Let me go get all of them very fast. Guys, I already have a bunch of these. Let me just show them to you. I can't even grab them because I have so many. This, I don't need any more. I don't need any more of these dimple fidget spinners. Wait a minute. What the? I didn't even realize I have two. Wow. So you guys never actually see my best friend, which I'm gonna actually be doing a video with her of fidget trading. And I'm probably gonna trade one of these for her, because I don't need two of the same ones. I don't know how I got two, but it's fine. Then I have this pink one. It's metallic. These all go together. They're fidget spinner dimples. Here's this one. This is probably one of my favorite fidgets. I just really like it. It's super cute. And then this. Wow. This was the last fidget. how good it's. Let's see if it spins right now. Okay, let me. Oh my god. Wait, I need to do that again. Let me just. Oh no. Oh my god. Alright, so now guys, this packaging that I have right here, it's too cute. So I think I'm gonna keep it actually, because I don't want to throw this away. It's super duper. But I'm gonna take you guys to my fidget drawer. If you're new to this channel, smash that like button and hit the subscribe button now. So I haven't told you guys yet, but I had 16 subscribers. For some reason, I was playing Adopt Me. If you guys play Adopt Me, if you even know what Adopt Me is, or if you even play Roblox, or if you even know what Roblox is, I was playing that, and someone told me that I'm a YouTuber. That someone told me that you are a YouTuber. So, and then they asked, and I was like, yeah, I am. And then they asked me if I give dream pets to people. And I said, no. I only, I wish I said this, but I didn't actually say. I was gonna say, I only give it to poor people, but then I didn't. And like, she didn't look poor because she had like a pretty good pet, so I didn't give her one. But yeah. And then she literally told me unfollowing, and then she literally and I said wait, and then she literally just left the game. I don't know if she meant like on TikTok. I don't know if she meant on like TikTok or like sorry about that, or like or YouTube. So yeah, I think she meant on YouTube. But I'm kind of sad because I almost hit 20 subscribers, and then I lost 2 subscribers. And whoever did that, you're just so ashamed. You should be ashamed of yourself for doing that. You should be ashamed. That's just so rude. Just because you didn't like my channel doesn't mean you have to unsubscribe. At least, like, say that you just, like, if there's a video that you don't really like, just, like, maybe go on TikTok and do more on TikTok to ask me to do more interesting videos, or like whatever other kind of videos you want me to do. Like, you don't really have to unsubscribe from my channel. And if you don't know what my TikTok account is called, it's called the Maya and Kaden Show. So, you guys have to try 2, the Maya and Kaden Show or just the Maya and Kaden Show, because I forgot if it was the Maya and Kaden Show or Maya and Kaden Show. So yeah. Okay, guys, I only have 2 minutes left to record this video. I'm gonna do a part 2. So, see you guys. Bye. Peace.